that? 15. That's a 17 right there. That's a 17 right there. How did this?
Yeah, that.
How did they make this come off again? They popped it off. Yep. Yep.
Oh, in the video, that's what they did.
Yep. Yep. Come with me, nigga. I really like that.
Sheesh.
Shout me out, LSS Cap. Once the shit done, come to a
Link
nigga.
in bio. Link in description.
Stop playing. Oh, this motherfucker loose.
Loose than a goose.
It's loose than a goose. Don't get me started. Run out the body. Nah. Yeah. All right.
Probably why that motherfucker came
Come on,
out.
man.
Loose.
Loose as a goose, boy. Come on. This how we gonna do this. Oh my God. Ooh. This is the one. This is it right here. That boat right there. That's the bitch.
I ain't gonna lie. I'll even try to.
That's that one. That's gonna be like an asshole. Already knowing.
Now, bro, gotta redo it over again.
Crack her open. Her pussy. Crack that pussy wide open. Oh, big nut. Come here, bitch. Come here, girl. Show ass up out of here. Being all that tight ass Asian coochie.
Oh, yeah. Bitch, you gotta give us the paperwork. Well, finally out. After what, an hour? And some change?
Shit, nigga. Probably shit longer. I'm just playing. No, we ain't been here that long.
Approaching hours. Again? Let's see if she start up.
For the kid.
It's in the ignition already.
Send him my way.
Oh, God.
Yeah, for real. Let him know.
What the? I mean, you want to hear it start up too? You want to hear it start up too? Go. So the starter went out, y'all, and now. What the heck?
right?
Yeah.
Now the starter's trying to cut. All right, set this battery low. Get that jumper cable.
All right, y'all. So apparently that I need a new starter bolt because every time I turn the car up or restart it, the bolt like comes unloose. So y'all can see a stiff starter bolt. So y'all can see like right here. It's hooked on. It's tight right now. But like as soon as I start the car, turn the car off, it like unloosens. So I'm gonna have to get a new starter bolt. So yeah, the new starter on though. I guess I just need a new starter bolt. So I'm gonna go get that ASAP, man. But car running, it's back running now. We back on the road. I'm about to keep this bitch running till I get to work because I'm late as fuck. So there ain't no need to miss work. So it's up, boys, man. So yesterday, I was telling y'all, yesterday my starter went out order. I guess I needed a new starter bolt. So I was telling y'all, yesterday, well, today that I'll be continuing off the content for that as of right now. So I'm on my way. I'm almost here. I'm walking to Advanced Auto Parts. So I called them and asked if they had this starter bolt right here. Not this one, because obviously this the fucking one that doesn't even fit my starter. So that's why my starter won't stay in place. So I have to get the actual bolt. But they said they had a universal bolt, bro. So I don't know what the fuck that is or if it'll fit. But we'll see once I get right here. You know what I'm saying? What I just walked right here. It's not that far of a walk. So I'm gonna see if they got what I need or if it works. And then if it do work, I'm gonna get it and purchase it, put it back on. Look, Altima right there. Look, innocent white one. Just see Altimas everywhere now. It's crazy. But yeah, y'all, man. So I'm just continue this video off today, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like and subscribe to the video. You know what I'm saying? To the channel. And if you've been enjoying the content recently, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate you for watching and tuning in if you're watching this. And I'm gonna see you once I get up in Advanced Auto. What's up, man? How you doing? So I'm trying to see if you guys have this starter bolt, yeah, or universal. That's for a Nissan Altima. All right, man. So this came out of Ace. I said not Ace. Advanced Auto Parts, and they didn't have this shit, bro. Why is it so hard to find this shit, bro? Like, it's ridiculous, bro. Before then, I already done called freaking AutoZone, O'Reilly's, and all that shit. They don't have the fucking starter bolt, which is crazy, bro. So now the guy, he just told me to go to Ace Hardware, and they should have it. So it's not that far. I'm about to walk down there now, see if they got this joint. Crenshaw and like Adams. But if it's a bird over here, bro, I'm gonna get a fucking bird. Okay. So, Big Bird Chronicles. Put up here on a bird, boy. You dig? Gonna park him up right here too. No cap, shit funny. This shit even work? Like put the kickstand down? Like what the fuck? Damn. Alright, y'all, so I got the bolts. Hopefully these are the exact ones that fit. Because if I look right here on the label, this say a 9. This says 9. This 8.8. So like they look, same exact size. So, but two different sizes type beat too. So they're all different sizes. Got the receipt. Back on the bird, shit fast. That joint was back there somewhere. But yeah, so now back to the car and finna put these bolts on and see what's up. So I'll see y'all when I get there. But yeah, you know we gotta slide, bitch. For the bird, bitch. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Every time I ride a bird, bro, it should be so fun, bro. No cap. I might get charged by like $10 though out of the ride, but fuck it.
That's on the grill, bumping that CUS.
Man.
Stop playing. Music video back here.
I'm finna put the rest of the grass
We
in.
need strippers though.
All of that.
He said we need
We
strippers.
gotta
Fat.
have no babysitting at grandma's, and then have strippers back here.
Nah, they
All
gonna
ass
they don't need to
popping.
be here at all. They don't need to be here.
Lottie front side bigs. All that shit, nigga. Switch front big. Caballero.
Chancellor, I love them. Chancellor.
Yeah, they look like cheaters.
I still got, man.
Straight flip.
I'm at the house, man. That shit gone.